that Broderie Anglaise is only about summer? Light, delicate and romantic, yes. But limited to only one season? Absolutely not. With the right styling, Broderie Anglaise becomes a true ornament, a statement piece that works far beyond warm weather. Hi everyone, I'm Adriana, your fashion guide here at Leivip.com, the Italian multi-brand fashion wholesale platform. Today we're breaking one of the biggest fashion myths and showing how styling completely transforms a garment. Broderie Anglaise is often associated with summer dresses, holiday and warm weather. But when you change the context, when you add knitwear, trenches and structured pieces, it becomes something entirely new. It's no longer just a seasonal fabric. It becomes texture, it becomes contrast, it becomes a styling tool. In this video, we're focusing on Broderie Anglaise from Ecru brand and showing how it can be styled in a way that feels modern, versatile, and highly transversal. By mixing Ecru pieces with garments from other brands, we create looks that can move effortlessly from winter into spring and even into early summer. This is where styling really changes the perception of a garment. A broderie dress layered with a soft knit suddenly feels cozy. Add a trench and the look becomes urban and refined. Pair it with darker tones and the embroidery stands out even more. The mix of materials, light and structured, delicate and strong, is what makes the look interesting and unexpected. This is exactly where Leivip makes the difference. On one single platform you can find ready-to-wear, knitwear, outwear, and accessories like hats, bags, and foulards. This allows you to style complete looks, not just buy individual products. Accessories are never secondary. A hat changes the attitude of a broderie look. A bag adds structure. A foulard introduces color and movement. These details help transform Broderie Anglaise from a summer dress into a year-round styling piece. At Leivip, we don't just sell products. We support our boutique owners with selling tips, styling inspiration, and business insights through our blog and our YouTube channel with videos just like this one. Because when you understand how to style a piece, you know also how to sell it. And there's more. Boutique owners can download original product photos directly from our website. That means you can already have professional pictures ready to show to your customers, online, in-store, or on social media, saving time and making your communication easier. Endless possibilities. This is what we mean by versatility. One broderie piece, multiple brands, different season, endless possibilities. Styling turns garments into stories. And stories are what customers fall in love with. Discover all the pieces on Leivip.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media for more styling and business inspiration. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao!